I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable and turn on the dark theme feature on your Google Pixel. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Step 2. Tap Display and Touch in this menu. Step 3. Find the Appearance section and then tap Dark Theme. And to be clear, you don't want to tap to enable it here, you want to tap the text Dark Theme. The associated menu opens. Step 4. Now, tap to enable Use Dark Theme. Dark Theme will be applied immediately on your Google Pixel device, but we've got more options to walk through. Navigate down to the Options section. You'll see the default standard option, which turns on the dark theme for your device and apps that natively support dark mode. Alternatively, you can choose Expanded, which will automatically apply the dark theme feature to apps that don't natively support it. This can improve readability and accessibility, but be warned that this may cause some apps to display incorrectly. Next, scroll down to the Timing section and tap Schedule. This is where you can choose to turn on the dark theme on your Google Pixel at a specific time, or you can choose to turn it on from sunset to sunrise. Choose None if you want the dark theme on all the time. And that's it. The dark theme will be turned on and enabled on your Google Pixel device in accordance with your settings. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.